Excuse me, is this the sales department?
Yes, it is. Welcome to the team.
Can you please help me with this report?
Of course. What do you need help with?
Where is the meeting room?
It is on the second floor next to the kitchen.
I am going to make some coffee. Do you want a cup?
Yes, please. That sounds wonderful. Thank you.
What time do we finish work today?
We usually finish at 5 p.m., but today is Friday, so we can leave at 4 p.m.
I need to print this document. How does this machine work?
Let me show you. You just need to select your computer name here.
You look a little tired today. Are you okay?
I did not sleep very well last night, but I am okay.
Are you ready for your lunch break?
Yes, I am very hungry. Let's go to the cafeteria.
Your presentation was excellent this morning.
Thank you so much. I was very nervous about it.
Do you have a moment to talk about the new project?
I am a little busy right now. Can we talk in 30 minutes?
What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to visit my family. What about you?
Is it okay to use my phone at my desk?
Yes, but it is better to use it only during breaks.
Can you recommend a good co-working space in the city?
Yes, there is a great one near the central station. It's very quiet.
Excuse me, what is the Wi-Fi password here?
The password is on the small sign on the wall.
I would like to order a coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar with it?
I am finished for the day. See you tomorrow.
Have a great evening. See you tomorrow morning.
Sorry, what is the date today?
It is August 1st.
Do you want to get a drink after work today?
That's a nice idea, but I have to go home. Maybe next week?
When is the deadline for this task?
The deadline is this Friday before noon.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
No, it does not. You need to take the number 12 bus over there.
Hello, I'm new here.
Hi, nice to meet you. Welcome to the office.
My computer is very slow today.
You can try restarting it. That usually helps.
Did you get the email from our manager?
Yes, I just read it. We have a meeting at 2 p.m.
Today is very busy. I have so much work to do.
Me too. Let's focus now and take a nice break later.
Do you have the time, please?
Yes, it's 11:30.
I am so sorry I'm late. The traffic was terrible.
It's all right. We just started. Please take a seat.
Are you working late again tonight?
Yes, I need to finish this project by tomorrow morning.
Can you look at my email before I send it?
Yes, of course. It looks very good and is easy to understand.
The Easter holiday is next week. Do you have any plans?
Yes, I am going to have a small party with my friends.
What is the weather like in your city?
It is very sunny and warm right now. I really like it here.
There is a small problem with the client's request.
Okay, tell me about it. We can find a solution together.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
I would like one ticket to Manchester, please.
Sure. A single or a return ticket?
Oh no, I think I left my notebook in the meeting room.
Don't worry. I can go and check for you right now.
This food is very different, but I like it. What is it called?
This is a local dish. I'm glad you are enjoying it.
Please, excuse me, where can I find the rice?
It's in aisle 4, next to the pasta.
Should we have a team lunch this Friday?
That is a wonderful idea. I can book a table for us.
I can't find my office keys. I am very worried.
Stay calm. Where did you see them last?
How much does this cost?
This one costs $10.
This is our new trainee. He will be with us for the next 3 months.
Welcome. It's great to have you with us.
I am calling to confirm my appointment for tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Yes, we have your appointment confirmed. We will see you then.
Today was a quiet day at work.
I agree. It was nice to have some time to organize my desk.
Is the manager there?
I'm sorry, he is in a meeting. Can I take a message for him?
I'm sorry, my English is not very good. Can you speak more slowly, please?
Of course. I am happy to speak more slowly for you.
I think that meeting went very well.
I agree. The clients seemed very happy with our ideas.
I heard our colleague got a promotion.
Yes, she is the new team leader. She works very hard.
Excuse me, how do I get to the nearest post office?
Go straight on this road and turn left at the traffic lights. It's on your right.
Can everybody hear me okay?
Yes, we can hear you very clearly.
You are doing a great job. Keep up the good work.
Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot.
I am so happy it's Friday.
Me too. It was a long week. Let's go home and rest.
I would like to request a day off next Tuesday.
Okay, You need to fill out a form from the HR department.
You look very busy. Do you need any help with your tasks?
That is very kind of you. Can you help me make these copies?
My computer will not turn on. I don't know what is wrong.
Let me see. Maybe the power cable is not connected properly.
Our team goal this month is to find 5 new customers.
I think we can do it if we work together.
Hello, I have a booking for 2 nights.
Welcome. We have your reservation. Can I see your ID, please?
Can you recommend a good place to eat dinner near here?
Yes, there is a very nice Italian restaurant just around the corner.
I am organizing the files from last year.
That's a good idea. It will make things easier to find.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and going for long walks.
First, you open the program. Then, you enter the customer's information here.
Okay, I understand. Thank you for showing me.
What time is it in New York right now?
I think they are 6 hours behind us, so it is morning there.
I am sorry. I made a mistake in the report.
It's okay. We can correct it before we send it.
I love summer. The weather is warm and the days are long.
I prefer autumn. I like the cool air and the colors of the leaves.
Hit the subscribe button.